are really what you'd classify as an apex predator. They're designed to hunt down prey.
The white shark has one of the most in-tuned electroreceptor systems of any shark species.
Positioning of those eyes on the outside of that big head gives them a better field of view.
They know how to use stealth, how to use ambush to try and get close to you.
Oh my gosh!
We don't know if they are following the pilot whales down deep to find prey.
Teeth that are curved like knives. They can cut through sea turtle shells.